the primary heating and cooling is done by you, Richard, using a heat pump in this
heat
case.
pump.
Yeah.
In New England, believe it or not. You know, heat pumps are nothing but an air conditioner that could go both ways.
Right.
In the summer, it could find heat in the building, deliver it to outside, to dump it outside, leaving cold in here.
Does that really well.
Yes, but in the winter, it would try to find heat outside and bring it in, but there wasn't always enough with a conventional heat pump, so there was a complaint. You had to have an electrical backup, and it didn't work well. This is a cold weather heat pump.
So designed for our cold New England winters?
It'll work down to about 5 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as 0.
Okay.
And so it's also going to be different in that you normally see an air conditioner or a heat pump with a condenser outside, but there's always more than one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sure.
This is going to have a single box outside, and this can connect 4 inside units right here.
Oh, wow.
Using refrigerant piping like this.
Right here.
Okay?
And so connecting them to, I mean, when I think heat pump, I think of the registers up on the wall that are hanging there.
That's right. Well, we can
like
go to
this.
an inside high wall cassette like this.
Yeah.
And there could be 4 of these connected to that single outside unit.
Is this what we're going to be using?
We're not going to use it on this building. Angela didn't want to see anything inside the building, and we don't have a lot of space for conventional ductwork.
Right.
What we are going to have is refrigerant lines like this come into an air handler like this that's up in the attic.
Well, wait a second. When I hear air handler, though, I do think ductwork, right?
But this is going to be much small duct, and I'll show you what I mean. Refrigeration comes to here, refrigerant comes to here. There's a blower right here. We come out into this size trunk only, 7-inch round, 1 trunk off of that.
We can fit this upstairs?
That's right. And now we'll come off of this with a branch to the top floor and a damper, another one to the middle floor and a damper.
Sure.
And off of that, we'll cut holes in like this. Oh. And now, to each 8x10 area, we're going to run this. This is a flexible sound attenuator right here. There's an outlet that's going to sit either in the ceiling, the floor, or the high sidewall, as long as it doesn't blow on people.
But because this is so small, you can snake this anywhere through
That's
this
right.
whole building.
Right. This building is not that big. You know, it's 500 square feet per floor, and there's no real spaces for ductwork. So what we're going to end up with, every floor will be its own zone, perfectly comfortable, quiet as a mouse.
Wow. So for a little building like this in the city, we're talking about a system that's pretty much given us everything we need.
Right. And also in city living, we've got to worry about our neighbors. They're right there and they're right there.
Right.
This unit outside will be as quiet as a mouse. It'll just be purring all the time.
All right. Sounds like a great solution.
All right.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.